Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by unlocking the domain at your current registrar and requesting the EPP or authorization code. This is the key that lets transfers proceed. Once done, make sure Whois contact email is valid and privacy protection is temporarily disabled so transfer notices arrive. Also, log into the receiving registrar, review their transfer checklist, and have payment ready for transfer fees. These steps avoid delays and ensure both registrars can communicate about the move. You submit the domain name and the EPP code to the new registrar and complete payment to start the transfer. Next, check your email for authorization requests from both registrars and approve them promptly. Failing to respond stalls the process. Once approvals are sent, monitor the transfer status in the new registrar's dashboard. Transfers commonly take 5 to 7 days, so track progress and be ready to resend approvals if prompted to avoid accidental timeouts or cancellations. When the transfer completes, verify ownership in the new registrar dashboard and immediately confirm DNS settings so your website and email keep working. If name servers change during transfer, either restore your previous DNS records or update them to the new host. Allow DNS propagation and then re-enable privacy protection if desired. If anything goes wrong, first check for an expired or incorrect EPP code, whether the domain remained locked, or if Whois email failed. Contact both registrars with timestamps and screenshots for quicker resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.